Guys, stop! Stop confusing charts and endless news. There are now smart ways to make investing simple and successful for everyone. I can tell you for free in this video, but of course, you must watch to find out. This particular one assists you in conducting comprehensive analysis before making investment decision. Stay with me. Remember, crypto is exciting but risky. Prices swing wild. Scams are real, and it's not for everyone. Do your research before you invest. Guys, I'm talking about Intellectia. Imagine having a financial advisor whispering smart ideas in your ear. Need a quick analysis? Intellectia's AI tools can take complex info and explain it simply with one tap. So, investing with Intellectia is investing smarter with AI simplicity. They're an AI-first community where investing is made effortless, insightful, and enjoyable, empowering a new generation of investors. This lets you make smart choices with confidence. Here's how it works. Daily stock picks. AI picks 5 hot stocks every day based on big news. We've got the profit power. Here, you make more money, like over 40% monthly returns with the AI's help, based on AI picks. And we have the smart stock analysis. This one works in a simple way. You pick any stock, choose what to analyze, and their AI engine will do the hard work. It even supports many fancy charts. Good stuff. Let me cut you some slack here. This is a great investment, and just conduct your research before you make any investment. Real quick, how do you register for this big deal? Simple again? Click on the registration link below and get directed to the sign-up page. Sign up and voila, you are in. With that been said and done, let's get to the crypto panel and see how our AI works its magic. The crypto panel is the last on the left side of the page. Over to the quick insights. Just for sample's sakes, with just one click, let's perform some tasks. All right, we go first to run a technical analysis on the crypto. One click on it, and there you have it. Our AI is bringing detailed technical analysis on BTC. I am running analysis on BTC, as you may find the chart. The analysis shows the price movement, trading volume, technical indicators, and the other info you need to analyze a particular crypto. Let's do the same for the crypto trend rating. This is where you get daily ratings and trend analysis for top cryptocurrencies. So one click and boom! As you can see, a detailed answer on trend rating with BTC leading the wagon. Slide to the side to check for further details. Next up is the KOL signal. With a single click, we would find out recent opinions from top social media influencers. There you have it. Based on the recent remarks from various KOLs, here are 5 coins worth paying attention to. And finally, the briefing, of course, would give you a brief of cryptocurrency events within the past 24 hours. All of these options serves a cause to make your cause less tedious. However, the AI-generated analysis is provided for informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. Now, this takes us directly to your stock page where you'll find the several company stocks on the watch list, top news headlines on the market, quick insights where you can try your daily stock picks, technical analysis, check the price driver, finding out why a stock is moving at the moment, and of course, briefing. This will give you briefing of what happened to the stock and many more. On the left pane, right under the logo, you'd find your dashboard. It's just amazing how this works, right? I can literally see what's going on live in the stock market. However, the day's market activity wasn't solely defined by stock prices. It simply highlights additional resources for investors, such as the AI beneficiary and Web3 investment strategies. These 2 resources cater to growing investor interest in specific sectors poised for potential growth. Come on, you should have signed up already. There you go. Seamless connectivity and a large % precision with details. All the info you need is in one place. Smart technical analysis and everything you need for a smart investing. From intelligent chat to quick insights, stocks and cryptos, event markers, economic and earnings calendar, live calls and transcripts. Boy, it's peace. The cutting-edge chart analysis tools also provide you with the critical data you need to make informed decisions. From detailed liquidation history and the 2-year MA multiplier to the crypto fear and greed index and 200-week moving average, it's all giving future of investment. Over 6,000 public companies covered, over 100 news sources, with a whopping 40% monthly returns on AI-selected stocks, all of these backed up by leading global tech powerhouses. We've got Amazon Web Services, OpenAI, Polygon, Azure, and others. Still on backing up, there are investors who can back up these bragging I just made about Intellectia. Talk of co-founder of Affine, founder of Monosap, and many more. With all these been said, make sure you conduct your research before you invest in any crypto. Tell me now, are you ready to try the future of investing? Sign up using the link in the video description and see how AI can make you a smarter investor.